time it's been. I'm weakened underneath me where my frame is rusted thin. This here state inspection I just barely passed. Won't you drive me across the country, boy, this year could be my last. I'm a tail-fin road locomotive from the days of cheap gasoline. For sale on the side of the road, going nowhere, a rusty old American dream. I rode off the line in Detroit back in 1958. Spent 2 days on the showroom, that's all I had to wait. I've been good to all who've owned me, so have no fear. Come on, boy, put your money down, get me out of here. And I'm a tail-fin road locomotive from the days of cheap gasoline. For sale on the side of the road, going nowhere, a rusty old American dream. I'll give you the rest of my lifetime, but don't let me die here alone. Just jump me some juice to my battery, give that old starter a spin. Give me whir, sputter, the backfire to the carburetor and roar it till life once again. And I'm a tail-fin road locomotive from the days of cheap gasoline. For sale on the side of the road, going nowhere, rusty old American dream. Still running, rusty old American dream.
Well, I snuck to a window to leave her a note. Will you come meet me at the back of the grove? All the trees were in bloom, that sweet smell in the air. We were trembling together, we were young, we were scared, yeah. Swam in the lake, we watched fireflies by night. She was my princess and I was her knight. But her daddy didn't like me, he ain't like how I look. He said, leave that boy be, and that's all that to ya.